Hi everyone and welcome back to my YouTube channel. So guys, in this video I will show you how to active your Apple ID in your iPhone or iPad. So guys, if you have using iPhone or iPad or other iOS device and you have created your new Apple ID and now you want to activate, or your Apple ID has been disabled or deactivated and now you want to activate your Apple ID, I will help you how can you do this. So let's get started without wasting any time. First of all, open your settings, make sure that you have connected with strong internet connection, and after this go back. So guys, now you need to scroll it down, click on general, and from here you need to check your VPN connection. If you have connected any VPN, you need to disconnect your VPN, and now you need to go back and click on language and region, and from here select your own region according to your country. And guys, now you need to go back. So guys, after this simply you have to scroll it below, and from here you need to reset your network settings, and now you have to go back and click on your Apple ID. And guys, after this simply you will see multiple options here, but you need to click on sign in and security. And guys, here after this you need to wait for some seconds. So guys, as you will see this type of interface. So guys, firstly you need to verify your email address from here, or you can't verify or you have no access of that email, then you need to add your email or phone number here. Click on it and you need to add an email or phone number. And guys, you can easily verify your email and phone. And guys, after this you need to turn on your two-factor authentication from here. And guys, now you need to go back. So guys, after this you need to go back and check that your problem will be fixed. If still not activated your Apple ID, then no need to worry, you have to open an internet browser, and here you need to search support.apple, or you need to search Apple Support, as you will see. And you need to open first one website, that is support.apple.com. Select your iPhone here and scroll it down. And guys, now you need to scroll it below, and guys, you will see here is the option of get support. Click on start now. And guys, from here you need to contact with your Apple support team. Select more option, and guys, you need to select App Store here and click on continue. And guys, now you need to click on call us, and you need to call at these numbers, and you have to tell your problem, and they will respond to you and they will fix your problem. So guys, hope you like this video. If you like this video, please do subscribe my channel. Thank you.